Hi guys, so I literally just got a package and my slime came in. Look, it looks only like a little bit, but in the picture it had a lot. But I'm fine, just unless it gets. So this is a picture, but I only got like a little bit. This is where I put it, and this one, yeah, it's like that. And I put it on it, but he put everything back in. So dang it. Red bubble wrap. Ooh. Yeah, I only got like 5. Here's this one. Wait, I have to see what this one is. What they are called. So this balloon is. It doesn't see the names anymore. Okay. And this one just got blue raspberry. Ooh, this one is called Glittericious. This one called Lemonade. Icy Lemonade. A pink one, Peach. Violet. So let's open these. Alright, first I'm gonna start with blue. Raspberry. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, these are so good slime. Like, whoever made this slime, shout out to you, girl. Because I know boy would like slime. Like, not even a single boy would try to make slime. But squish baby, okay. It's a little, sticky and stuff. But I'll give this one a 9 because, like, it's very, like, sticky. So I'll give it a 9. See, this is one of these melted. Even though they just came today. Oh my gosh. Okay, done with blue raspberry. Now on to Glittericious. Older than I call these in. Oh gosh, glitter. Oh my gosh, Glittericious. Glittericious, I didn't actually put in my hands. Oh my gosh, Glittericious, you shouldn't have. So there's glitter in here and some foam beads, I guess. I'll give this an 8 because I really don't like the foam beads. And also the glitter sticks onto my hands, so now I may get that on Lemonade Icy. Oh my gosh, this Lemonade Icy is actually pretty good. Oh my gosh. Yeah, it's actually pretty good. Oh my god, that sounds so amazing. Oh my god, that sounds so freaking amazing. That sounds awesome. Alright, 2 more left. Oh yeah, Peach Baby. That's actually a name of a slime shop. Okay, not bad. I actually thought they were going to come in little containers, but they didn't. Back in the cage, Peach Baby. I'll go this one online also because it's really sticky. Oh yeah, I didn't give a thing to this one. Give a 10 because it feels so good and it's just so cool. Now Violet, I think, yeah, Violet. Oh my gosh, Violet. Ugh. Oh my gosh, Violet is actually warm. Oh my god, amazing nose. Oh my gosh, Violet, you're kind of sticky. Oh my gosh, Violet! Alright, I'll give a Violet a freaking... I'll give her a 7 because she's really sticky, and if you're really sticky, you have a 7. I have so. Oh my god. Okay, Violet, you're kind of really sticky. I need to go wash my hands because of Violet. Hey guys, I'll come back. Hey guys, I'm back. But the most one that I like from here is Lemonade Icy. I think Lemonade Icy is really good. So yeah, there's only 5, but I don't care. Yeah, Lemonade Icy is so freaking good. It's not even that sticky. Like, guys, I'm gonna try to make a big bubble. If I can make this, give this like 90 likes, please, you guys. Okay, let's blue things. And I don't want to make it in the way. These perfumes. Look at right, guys. Hey, 19 likes. Oh, come on. Lucky there's only like 3 rounds. So that was my first one. 2 more left. Ready? Oh, one more round. Please, one more round. Be good. Oh! Could at least give this video a like, please. Whoever you are, send me this slime. Bless you. You have a good slimes. Like, they're the bomb. Especially the lemonade one. Guys, comment if I should call this Lemonade Icy or banana. Because this does look like a banana color. So bye guys, that was a little short film. Just wanted to so yeah guys, bye you guys. I know this was a very short video. Hope you guys like this video and give it a thumbs up, only one, because we didn't get the 3 bubbles that we wanted to. But give it like a 10 because I kind of did make a bubble, but it was small, but then pop. So yeah, you guys, Bye guys, make sure you subscribe and make sure to turn on post notifications and comment down hashtag lemonade icy or banana. Which one I want to know. Comment down.